inventor and social philosopher. Organizational and applied psychology in the United States. The approach developed by Kurt Lewin is a significant contribution to the fields of social science, psychology, and social psychology, organizational development, process management, and change management. His theory was expanded by John R. P. French, who related it to organizational and industrial setting. Wolfgang Kuller specialized in insight learning or problem solving by insight. He was a German psychologist and phenomenologist who, like Max Wedemeer and Kurt Kafka, contributed to the creation of Gestalt psychology. Insight learning is perhaps the greatest contribution of Wolfgang Kuller made to psychology. Building off the influence of Gestalt psychology, Kuller discovered that learning can occur when we gain insight into an entire situation, as opposed to the focusing only on an individual part. Urie Bronfenbrenner Ecological system theory developed the ecological system theory to explain how everything in a child and child's environment affect how a child grows and develops. He labeled different aspects or level of the environment that influence children's development, including microsystem. Sandra Beam Gender scheme theory. She was an American psychologist known for her works in androgyny and gender studies. Her pioneering work on the gender roles, gender polarization, and gender stereotypes lead directly to more equal employment opportunities for women in the United States. Ward Gardner Theory of multiple intelligence. He believed that the conventional concept of intelligence was too narrow and restrictive and that measures of IQ often miss out on other intelligences that an individual may possess. He was an American developmental psychologist. Eliot Toriel Domain-based moral education and was an American psychologist and Chancellor's professor at the Graduate School of Education at the University of California, Berkeley. He teaches courses on human development and its relation to education. Moral development theory. The theory of moral development is a very interesting subject that stemmed from Jean Piaget's theory of moral reasoning. Developed by psychologist Lawrence Kohlberg, this theory made us understand that morality starts from the early childhood years and can be affected by several factors. Erik Erikson, Psychosocial Development Theory. He was a German-American developmental psychologist and psychoanalyst known for his theory in psychological development on human beings. He may be most famous coining in phrase identify crisis. His son, Kai T. Erikson, is noted American sociologist.